Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this exciting video, we're going to dive into a trading strategy using Exponential Moving Averages or EMAs. EMAs are a powerful tool for identifying trends and opportunities in the financial markets. Over the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to effectively implement this strategy. Let's get started. What are EMAs? Before we delve into the strategy, it's important to understand what exponential moving averages are. EMAs are indicators that smooth out price data to highlight trends. Unlike simple moving averages, EMAs give more weight to recent data, making them a valuable tool for detecting changes in market direction. Strategy setup. For this strategy, we'll be using two EMAs, a short-term EMA and a long-term EMA. For example, we could use a 20-period EMA and a 50-period EMA. The interaction between these two EMAs will provide us with signals about the trend direction and potential entry/exit points. Identifying trends. When the short-term EMA crosses above the long-term EMA, it may indicate an uptrend. Conversely, if the short-term EMA crosses below the long-term EMA, this could signal a downtrend. These signals will help us make informed decisions. Entry and exit points. We'll use the intersections of the EMAs as entry/exit points. When the short-term EMA crosses above the long-term EMA, it could be considered a buy signal. On the other hand, when the short-term EMA crosses below the long-term EMA, it could be a sell signal. However, it's essential to confirm these signals with other indicators and analysis. Risk management and practice. Always remember to implement strong risk management in your trades. Use stops and limit the amount of capital you risk on each trade. Additionally, practice this strategy in a demo account before applying it in the real market. Exponential moving averages are a valuable tool for traders, as they can help us identify trend and entry/exit signals. However, remember that no strategy is foolproof. Supplement this strategy with additional analysis and your own judgment. Thank you for joining me in this video about the EMA trading strategy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to trading and finance. Do you have questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments. Wishing you success on your journey towards financial independence.